Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. And welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Thank you for tuning in so much. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. This way you'll be notified each and every time I put out one of these educational videos. The education in these videos is the art of technical analysis, and I turn out to be very good at the art of technical analysis. I promise you this, and I don't mind sharing my tips, tricks, and techniques with you. We do that in just about every video, and we are going to do that in this video. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share these videos around the internet, and let's get going. For trading on 12/16, that's a Monday, 2019, this is video 2036 coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Monday. We've got a green Omni on the board for E-mini S&P and NASDAQ, and of course you know that this is a very risky game, right? Trading stocks, ETFs, trading anything, trading options, especially selling short naked options, trading without stops, all of that stuff, really, really risky. Please recognize the risks behind this game. It is certainly not suitable for everybody out there listening. Make sure you've got risk capital to lose and you understand the rules if you're going to play this game. Most of you who tune in to me absolutely understand that, and let's get going. Green Omni, E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, because the indices are looking great. Technically, in my opinion, I think they look great. Can they come down a few days? Yes. Do they look great overall? Yes. Gold. Watch out for gold. It might be a little tricky at this juncture. It's slightly bullish, short term, but there's reason to think maybe it's on its way down, intermediate term. You know, between now and the end of the year, shorter term than the next quarter, but longer term than tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe it goes up. But I think there's something to be careful about, and I just wanted to show that to you. And then a testament to technical analysis and how well that works. That's what I have in store for you. All of this is in the charts. I want to show that to you immediately. Omni campers who just left Omni Camp, what a fantastic time. Wasn't that an experience? You guys did really well. You made my job so easy teaching this crew. I mean, I didn't have to beat anyone over the head with the knowledge hammer at this Omni Camp. It was great. Everybody understood. They've picked up very quickly, and we had a great time together. Please do your homework, kids. I am here for you if you need me, you Omni Campers. There will be one Omni Camp scheduled for the first quarter of 2020. That Omni Camp will come probably around the end of February. I didn't give an exact hard date, but think right around the end of Feb for 2020. The only Omni Camp for this quarter. I urge you to fill out your Omni Camp applications immediately, and I will contact you personally to qualify you for a seat. With no further ado, let's go! Look at some charts. Omniacs, if you'd indulge me for just a moment, here's a quick clip of what my last graduating class just had to say. And bravo once again, you Omniacs. I hope to see another class out here soon. Take a look at this quick clip.
The best way for me to describe OmniCamp is it's just a great experience and a great educational tool that nobody else is going to give you. The way Oscar teaches you is easy, and it's just easy to learn, and it's something that will stick with you all the time and to apply to your everyday trading.
Practical obviously being probably the key word, just in terms of I now have a set of tools I can go back home, and as long as I kind of follow that, I feel really good.
I decided to come to the OmniCamp because I needed to learn from the best and follow his guidance so I can become a better trader and make a success out of it and do it the right way. There's really only one way to do it, and that's the right way, and Oscar will teach you that way to do it.
My expectations have been met exactly to what I thought it would be. It's simple enough that I really think anyone can learn it. And Oscar, having just a few people at the weekend, he gives us hands-on time until he knows each and every individual person for whatever level of trading experience they have. He gets them exactly to where they need to be able to follow the Omni.
My expectations coming to this camp, honestly, were zero. I thought anything I can get, I appreciate. And I come here and he shows the system, and it's great. I mean, you don't have to think, you just need to follow the system.
I did watch one of his video where he, in 2007, he forecasted the market will either go up or come down to 668, and he came down within, I think it was like 2 ticks or something. And I was just fascinated by that. And I said, I gotta attend his camp.
I would definitely recommend the OMNI Camp. I'd recommend it because it provides a practical approach to trading. I would recommend it because it is a simple approach to trading that I think anybody can pick up. You know, he was able to have his 14-year-old daughter actually show us initially, you know, she was able to follow it and show us that she could do it, and that I think also helped us gain a lot of confidence.
I would highly recommend OMNI Camp to anyone that wants to be a trader, anyone that might realize I need the discipline to be a good trader, I need the education to know what I need to do, and I need to have a system that I can follow. OMNI Camp sets you up for all 3 of those.
And I'm glad to have this opportunity. Glad to have come across somebody like this. It's very rare, and I hope whoever comes across this opportunity takes it without thinking.
I wouldn't recommend it to anyone else because I want it to myself.
NASDAQ Daily Bar. As I mentioned just a moment ago, the U.S. indices are looking great technically. Look at them. I mean, great channel, look fantastic, above previous highs. Nothing wrong with that picture, whether it comes down a few days this week or not. Looks great overall. That's your NASDAQ picture. March, E-mini S&P, same sort of picture. Looks fantastic. Wants to run away. I don't see why we don't continue higher for the rest of the year. Pullback days do happen, but I think we continue higher. Russell 2000, another one, joins the race, looks fantastic. You know, maybe doesn't move up as quickly, does it more in stair steps, if you will, than the S&P and the NASDAQ, but it still goes overall. So not so bad. Russell following along. And the Dow marching right into nice, beautiful run. Nothing wrong with that. Dow looks like it wants to go higher and make my projection for the end of the year. Now, you must understand, kids, my projection is right about here. It's almost guaranteed that we reach that as long as we stay slightly bullish, right? I mean, if you recall, when we called the market to get up there, we were in like the 22,500 area, and we've rallied all the way up to 28,200 already. Here would be my 28.5. Let's see what happens. That was the OMNI year-end target we posted in the beginning of the year. Then you got the Dow Jones Transportation Average, which does not have the same exuberance, if you will, as do the other indices. I mean, look, it's, you know, look at this, all the way up and down. Granted, this could be a nice big bull flag right here, but no straight up channel like you've seen in all the other indices. You know, Transportation Average itself, not the average, but the components of it, have been through a major shift in the way crude moves around, and now the ships have to meet a certain standard, and there are way less ships that meet that standard. All sorts of things going on in crude. You've got Amazon doing its disruption, in the Dow, and in crude, of course, the transportation in crude. So lots of reasons to see this, but everything else looks great right now. So I'm not worried about it. Certainly on a short-term basis, I think the indices look great. Then gold. I mentioned that gold could be bullish. You might be getting bullish signals for trading on Monday, and I get that. And gold, you know, it's got some room to get all the way up here, and if it breaks it, that's great. But you see how gold's been in this long channel, right? Take a look at that chart. Now, this is the same chart with just slightly different artwork on it. Same channel, but if you'll note, it sort of puts in mini channels, breaks to the bottom. So it starts at the top, drops, mini channel to the top, breaks to the bottom. Then starts almost near the bottom, breaks to the top in a channel, breaks to the bottom. Here we are again in another channel, just about near the top. You might get a day or two that go up here, or maybe that's the top already. You know, I think you could have gold go up because the dollar is bearish, so gold could certainly go up. And if you break this line here, gold can really go up. But for now, we are creatures of habit. And if you ask me, technical analysis is basically spotting repetitive patterns. And this is 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. I'd expect number 4 until something else happens. So I wanted to show you that about gold. I don't dislike gold, but I'm just showing you how it's working inside of this channel. These tend to break down quicker than they break out of the channel. Then here is a testament to technical analysis. I mean, come on. The beginning of last week, on a Monday, in my trading room, maybe it was Tuesday, right in the beginning of the week, I mentioned I am going to put alerts in my computer to alert me when the possibility of the double top in coffee works out. We were down here. The market went up, 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 right to this point, but never triggered our double top. And then this is what happened on Friday. This is an actual bar from Friday. That is Friday's bar. Look at how that double top, you just about got there, and wham! Just a testament to how well technical analysis does work. So there you have it, kids. That's my presentation for this evening. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Traders, you've seen the charts. That's about all I got for you tonight. I'm out of here. Alan Greenspan, thank you for the exuberance there, the exuberance term. We know that you coined that one. Traders, I will see you at my site, livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required to meet me in my live trading room, so meet me there. I'll see you there. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you all. Livewithoscar.com. I'll see you there. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.